Hey guys, in this quick video, I will show you a very simple workflow that will allow you to find the phone numbers of any decision makers that you have. Maybe you have inside your CRM and you don't have their contact phone number. And I'm talking about like personal phone numbers. I'm not talking about uh, the company phone numbers where you have to get through the decision maker first. I'm talking about personal mobile phone numbers of all the decision makers. So if you're running an email campaigns, you're getting some positive replies, and you also want to call those prospects up to increase your cold booking rate, this workflow is for you. And the way it works is we are using a tool called Clay, which is one of the best uh, data enrichment providers, which basically is an Excel sheet on steroids, and it combines all the different APIs and integrations to build a pretty comprehensive outbound campaigns. And the way it works is when you log in, but by the way, you can use my affiliate link to get 3,000 additional credits when you sign up. But regardless, the way it works is you come here, you click on create new table, and you start off with blank table and custom. So I already created this one. But basically what you are going to need, like full name, email, LinkedIn profile. And to be honest, you are just going to need their LinkedIn profile. That's the main thing to identify their phone numbers. And what you do then is you come click add column, add enrichment, you write phone number, and you select mobile phone. And Clay has pretty interesting feature which is called waterfall method that allows you to run the information through all the different data providers. If one of them does not find it, then it runs it through 5 other ones to make sure you actually find their information. And here it will ask you to map out the column that contains their LinkedIn profile URL, which is this one. And all you got to do is then click save, and let's say save and run 10 rows. It also gives you the number of credits that you're going to spend. But at the same time, what you can do, that's why it's good, why Clay is good, is if you have an API key for any of these providers right here, you can just enter your API key, and instead of you being charged for Clay credits, you're just going to pay for, let's say, Lead Magic credits instead, which is usually much cheaper, right? But then, whatever, you click save, you click save and run 10 rows, uh, and as you can see, it will run right now, and it will give us their phone numbers. Okay, so as you can see, for these two leads, we found the phone numbers right away. For this lead, we found it on a second try, and for this lead, we found it on the fifth try, right? So that's why this feature is so good, is because if you are not able to find it from one database, you have access to like 5 others that you can use to find it. And here you have their phone numbers. So you can call them up, you can add them to your CRM, have your SDR call those leads, whatever it is. And another thing that which is pretty interesting is you can set up automation. Like for example, right now with our agency, we are using a tool called Smart Lead. So in every single time we get interest reply and we categorize the lead as interested, the lead automatically gets sent to this table, and it automatically gets us their phone number, so our SDR can call the lead up as soon as the reply, which usually gets us at least like 40% higher call booking rates. So that's why it's so important to being flexible with your follow-ups, with your replies, because instead of just replying with the email or following up with emails, you'll also have their phone number that you can uh, contact them daily until they actually answer and tell you, okay, I'm not interested, or until they answer. You have a small chat and actually schedule a Zoom or um, Google Meets meeting for a much better discussion. But this is how it's working. It's pretty simple workflow. And if you have any questions, you can reach me on LinkedIn. Or if you want us to build similar workflows for your business, you can just click on the link below in the description and we can have a chat and we can see how we can help you. But yeah, hope this video helped, and I wish you happy prospecting. Take care.